The first 100,000 is a bitch, but you have to do it. After that, you can ease off the gas. Charlie Munger, if you are in your 30s right now and you're aggressively saving but feel like you're getting absolutely nowhere, you aren't doing it wrong. You're just in the slog. Back when I operated a 400,000 electric mining shovel, the absolute hardest part of the job was just getting that massive amount of weight moving from a dead stop. It takes maximum power just to get it rolling. Money works exactly the same way. Let me show you the math. Assume you start at zero. You invest $833 a month at a historical 7% return. Getting to that 100,000 takes almost 8 years. It's painful because you are doing all the heavy lifting. You contribute $78,000. The market only gave you $22,000. But look at the shift. From going from 100,000 to 200,000 drops to 5. Getting to 300,000 drops under 4, and by the time 300,000, your money is literally out earning your monthly contributions. Gravity takes over. Here's exactly how to build the momentum right now. Move number 1. You automate boring stuff. Do not try to beat the market with the day trading to get 100,000 fast. You'll lose. You set up an automated routing system from your checking account the exact day you get paid. You build a simple 4-fund portfolio: S&P 500, a total market index, some international exposure, and a small hedge in the hard asset. Personally, I like the industrial demand. Mechanics of physical silver right now. You set in and you forget it. You move number 2, the anti-lifestyle creep protocol. In your 30s, your income usually jumps, but does your appetite for things? If you get a $10,000 raise in a year, you do not buy a $10,000 nicer truck. You bank 50% of the raise straight into the system. You lock your lifestyle, and you funnel the excess into a snowball. Theory is great, but here's what it really looks like. This was the exact pivot point where the interest started doing the heavy lifting for me. The hardest part is just starting the engine. If you have not started routing your money yet, I have put a link in the description to the exact brokerage platforms I use. They even give you a few free stocks just for funding the account, which immediately gets you off zero. If you want the exact blueprint for how I set that up for a fund portfolio, I build a free guide, no fluff, just the system. Click the link below to join the Purple Haze Creative House newsletter, and I will send it straight to your inbox. And if you want to see the exact mechanics of how I wrote my paycheck and to automate this entire process, watch this video right here. Get the boulder moving. The math will take care of the rest. I'll see you in the next one.